Do you know why even after working 8 hours a day, you still feel like you're not making progress? Because your brain isn't in deep focus. Cal Newport, in his book Deep Work, says, "In a world full of distractions, the one who masters deep work becomes the king." Every time your phone, a notification, or a message sound interrupts you, it takes your brain up to 23 minutes to return to that same level of depth. Now imagine how many times a day you break that focus. That's why time passes, but results don't show. But if you can spend just 90 minutes a day fully immersed in your work, without a single distraction, the quality of your output can increase tenfold. That moment when you lose track of time, that's the moment when the magic happens. Deep work means returning to an era where the mind was gold, not the phone. All it takes is 1 hour a day of disconnecting from the world to find yourself again. Deep focus is the superpower of this century. If you want to learn it, subscribe. This is where your focus journey begins.